Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JJMarvelToys. Today we are unboxing the Star Wars Black Series Destroyer Droid, also known as Droideka. This is my second unboxing of the Black Series. The only other figure that I unboxed was the Mandalorian, which we'll be looking at later. And so let's look at the box. We did a 360 of the box. Let's take a closer look. So we have Star Wars, Droideka, Destroyer Droid, Star Wars, The Phantom Menace by Hasbro 4+. There's a nice picture. I like this picture. Droideka, Destroyer Droid. It's like a scorpion kind of thing. Star Wars, the Black Series, Destroyer Droideka. Complete with twin blasters on their arms. Droideka are destroyer droids designed with one goal in mind: annihilation. A Droideka can completely envelop itself in a globe of protective energy via its compact deflector shield generators. The Phantom Menace. It's warnings at the bottom. Manufacturing details. This side is completely empty. Star Wars. The top has a box full of what's inside, and then manufacturing details and more warnings. So let's unbox. Which is the best way? I think it's from the top. Let's do that. I really enjoy unboxing these figures and reviewing them for you. Let's open it. It's quite a big box compared to other boxes. Okay, empty box. Discard that. And the best thing about this Black Series, I think this is my second one. They all come with an extra case, which is good. You can store stuff in that. So, first impression, really nice. Plastic could have been a bit more premium. I do not know, I'm not a plastic expert, but just by the feel of it, could have been a bit more premium. That's my first observation. Painting is good. They could have added a little bit more painting here, where is different textures. Texturing is good. Let's cut off these rubber bands carefully. Okay, 1, 2, so 3. Don't want to touch the figure with the blade. I'm being a bit careful. 4. And this one, can we do it from here? Let's see if it's open. Let's pull it out carefully. Oh, there's one more here. Okay, there's my blade. Let's just cut that through. Okay. Here there's one that. Okay. Just be careful when you're using the blade. Don't want to destroy your figure and don't want to cut yourself. Come on. Oh, there's one more here. Come on. It's like really sealed. Careful again. Very carefully. Don't use force. Oh, I almost touched my finger. That's fine. No harm done. Let's remove all these. The rubber bands. Right here. Okay. Took that off. Warnings, manufacturing details. Not important for us. And here we have the figure. It's surprisingly light compared to the box. Probably because I was expecting a heavier piece. but it's nice. There's a joint here, and there's a joint here. So that's two, two, two. So 3 legs, and then there's joint here, 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 here. Are these all joints? No. Yes. No. Maybe. Doesn't know. This opens up. Yes. Yes. I like these ribbons of iron and the texture on them. Just don't want to break them. So these blasters, they open up pretty well. Okay, so this hands are going up and down, which is good. And this, I have to be very careful with this. The head, it's just a tiny joint there. Can become loose. Does it? Yeah. Just comes out a tiny bit. Just leave it in there. Don't want to break that. This, oh look at this, this moves. And this is really soft material, so just be careful. This has nice movement. Put the hands back, put the guns up. Even this moves, I think. Yes. Just got, yeah. Keep it straight. And these open up here. Actually, you know what? If this was a metallic one, it would have been nice rather than plastic. It should have been made in metal because metal's stronger, doesn't break. This, you don't know it. This seems like it could break any moment. Hey, even this moves. I didn't notice this. And this, that's good. I'm really pleased with the legs. Here it looks like there's a tiny person who can sit here and he has controls here. So that's okay. I'm just trying to, okay, this is what it is. Just falling forward. Okay, that's better. Let's see if it can stand. Really good. Point this in front. Nice. Perfect. Think we got something really nice. Let me do a 360 so that you can have a better look and a close-up. It's done really well. Quite a complex kind of design, but Hasbro has been able to do it. The only thing is they could have used slightly stronger, harder plastic, especially in these the the purple ones. These ones. This could have been slightly stronger. This is okay. This part is okay. Let me zoom out. Yeah. So this part is okay. No complaint there. But this part is really soft. Could have been harder. And this you have to be really careful with this head. I mean, for the amount you're paying for this, you know, I don't want to break it. I mean, one fall or one drop could break. So that's something that we need to avoid. And yeah, I really love this. I mean, they've done it really well. The plastic, the painting is also okay. I'm not complaining about it. Hey, look at this. They don't work. It's just for design. Yeah. It's overall, it's good. Good shape, good design, good texture. I think good painting could have been slightly darker. This part could have been slightly darker. And yeah, this gray is nice. Probably a metallic, what is that called? Gunmetal gray would have been better. Would have given it much more, uh, what do you say? see if it's okay. Yeah, just it which stands much lower. And I was just thinking we should probably do the height comparison now. And I realized that we can make it sit much lower, much higher, and that's all in your hands. So yeah, I just messed it up. Okay, I think that's good enough height. Let's see what the height centimeters. Oh, just dropped it. Let's see. Let's translate. Okay, so let's see the height. Just about 15.5 centimeters, so that should be 6 inches. 6 inches to this way. That's Mandalorian, that's it. Yeah, it's good height. It's 6 inches, that's this height. Yeah, let's check the weight. Today's video is going a bit longer than I wanted to, but I think it's okay. Okay, so we have the weighing scale ready. And let's straighten this up. Make it 0. 0 grams, yeah? So let's check the weight of the figure. 55 grams. That's what I was saying. It's quite light. And pounds, it's 0.122 pounds. Yes. So it's quite light for its height, but that's fine. Should probably have added a little more weight in thickness of the plastic and the joints. But it's quite a complex figure. A lot of joints, a lot of moving parts. And I think they've done a good job. I will not complain. Even the joints are quite strong, so it's not like it's, bending over or very loose. So I'm happy about it. Let me compare with some Marvel Legends figures. Marvel Legends, Iron Man, Ultimate Iron Man, Model 20 Iron Man. This is something like Iron Man could have developed, but with real guns kind of thing. And then Classified Series Bat. I think he's gonna take out everyone. No one will be able to stand except for Star Wars. So only Star Wars can fight him. 7-inch figure Superman. And we have Zarya from Overwatch with all our blasters. And who else? Did I miss somebody? Yes. Legendary series. Scratch. Scratch is again exactly 6 inch, so it's the same height. So, come to the end of our review. What do you think about this figure? For me, it's a really nice figure. A little bit more weight A little bit more painting would have gone a long way. Um, but overall, I'm happy and it's a good buy. And I like the figure. It's really nice. It will be one of my prized figures. So thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, if you would like to share your thoughts on this figure, please do put in a comment. Like my videos, share my videos with your friends, and thank you for watching. Take care. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.